Hello everyone, welcome to James Marketing Channel. Today's clip will show you how post real estate listings automatically on 100 of potential groups in Facebook. I will use multiple Facebook accounts to post, and we can post thousands of posts, real estate advertising for us, fully automatic. And I've got strategies in place, sales system building, automation on Facebook already. Well, these are my strategies. And first, we're going to need a lot of data to exploit. For example, groups whose members are in the field of real estate. So now I'm going to use MKTUID software so I can scan out the groups, so that we can join in and advertise on the Facebook platform. First, we have to have groups to post in. This group will be themed, and after the join in, we'll go post, right? That's how it is by hand. For software use, we'll do the same. The thing is, we'll do it automatically with software. It's like we're looking. Groups by keyword. The UID software will help us scan out UIDs on Facebook. For example, I can scan group UID of Dubai real estate, for example. We can scan for any keyword. And here, for example, I'm going to scan out about 1,000 groups. Set 1,000 of these groups, click Start. The software will automatically scan. Okay everyone, I have scanned the data of the groups by keyword. Dubai real estate, and I've scanned almost 1,000 groups. And now I'm going to export this to Excel. And we export it to Excel for easy management. The software will be automated. Give us information like this, UID. Name this censored status or not. There are these days of creation, and we can know how many members are in there. There are many quality groups are always. I'll try to click on a group. So these are the groups for we post in it. Post a promotion about the product or our real estate. So now, if we have the data, we will go to the software to go automated posting. Post about real estate. MKT Care software. Help us manage unlimited Facebook accounts. I have over 200 Facebook accounts here. And people imagine this. When we do it by hand, we go post one. And one article will give you reach about a certain number of people, right? Let's say 20 people. So for software that we can use hundreds of Facebook accounts and post thousands of posts. In real estate, it's about access to information. Information coverage is very important. We're going to overlay as much or advertise as possible. And as we go and post thousands of posts on such groups, real estate focused groups by area like this, our coverage is very good. For example, in a group, we can reach 20 people. There are 1,000 groups. We can reach 20,000 people. And we can absolutely do that. It's done by automated software. I'm going to go into this viral marketing. Then we go to group posts. I'll leave now. Set up some basic parameters. Number of concurrent threads is the number of accounts running at the same time. It will depend on the machine configuration. Next, I will choose the account. I have a lot of accounts here. I have about 50 accounts. I will demo about 50 of my accounts. To go posting. Now I'm going up here. I will post 5 posts per account. If we have 50 accounts, we can post 250 posts. 250 articles. Per article you just need to reach about 20 people. That we can access about 5,000 people. That's 5,000 people. And it's completely free. It's free to post groups, right? Next is a very important part. We will choose this content. This content we will enter in there before. We need about 10 pieces of content. They may be the same property, but we'll change the words. Let it be different. If you post a large amount, it will not be duplicated. I already have the content here. And this content is everyone can completely post. Everyone can post something like we usually post. We just need to upload it, enter it into the software. We can post it exactly like this. Here I was. Prepare my own content. I will not create any new content. Next is, we're going to pick groups for us to post. So here I've scanned the groups. That's where I'll get a quality group. There are many members. Take about it's 2,000 members or more. Copy this UID into this. Then we'll go into the software and paste that UID here. UID is the identity of the groups that we're going to post on that group, and set up some of these basic parameters as well to post random content and not duplicate groups. So we can post 250 different groups and post it with this background. And then when that's done, we can put the contact information here. However, we can always leave contact information at post. Then we won't have to comment anymore. I'll leave this comment section here because I don't have the information contact in the post. Then now I just need to start, and I'll automatically post it. People keep setting up like this. As I said, there are a few parameters. In terms of configuration, it can be changed depending on the machine. Now just press start. It's the software that automatically posted. And people imagine this. Each of these accounts can post to average of 20 to 30 groups. And if we had 100 accounts, we can post to 2,000 groups. And these 2,000 groups, then each post, we just need to reach 10 to 20 people. Is that we're going to be able to reach a lot of people in groups on the same topic of real estate? So then the information coverage of our real estate, very widespread and evenly distributed. Regardless of the industry, the more we reach many people, the easier it is for us to sell. And the software will help us do that. It's all automatic. So everyone can see the software running. And this is the end of my clip. Everyone can contact me directly to get a demo. It will be closer to everyone. Bye everyone. See you in the following clips.